Transform your existing photos into breathtaking AI art by using them as a powerful visual prompt in Midjourney. First, ensure you're logged into your Discord account and have access to a Midjourney server. These can be official Midjourney servers or private servers where Midjourney bots are invited. Navigate to one of the bot channels. We'll usually find these labeled as newbies or by a bot icon. This is where you'll interact with Midjourney. To use your photo as a reference, you first need to upload it directly into the Discord text channel. Click the plus icon, select Upload File, and choose your desired photograph from your computer. Once your image is uploaded and has a unique link, you're ready to craft your Midjourney prompt. Start by typing your standard Midjourney command followed by the URL of your uploaded image. You'll find this URL by right-clicking on the image and selecting Copy Image Address or a similar option. Paste that image URL directly into the prompt box. This tells Midjourney to use that specific image as a visual basis for its generation. Now comes the creative part. Describe the style, content, or mood you want to achieve. Want to turn your portrait into a Van Gogh painting? Add in the style of Van Gogh. Want to add a fantastical element? Describe it clearly, for example, with glowing ethereal wings. So, your prompt might look something like your image URL, then a space, and then your descriptive text. For instance, if you uploaded a photo of a house, you could prompt it with your image URL, a Victorian or a haunted mansion. After sending your prompt, Midjourney will process it and generate for initial image variations based on your reference photo and textual description. Analyze these results. You can then choose to upscale a specific image for higher detail using the U buttons or create further variations of a particular image using the V buttons. Experiment with different descriptive keywords and even different reference photos to push the boundaries of your creativity. You can alter the composition, change the lighting, or even blend elements from multiple styles. By skillfully combining your existing photographs with your descriptive prompts, you can unlock a universe of artistic possibilities, reimagining your visuals in ways you never thought possible with the power of AI.